Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best folding wood chair is probably one of the most versatile pieces of furniture you can own. Whether you're setting up extra seating for guests, need a portable option for outdoor events, or simply want a space-saving solution, this chair has you covered. Today, we're diving deep into the world of folding wood chairs, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you find the perfect one to fit your needs and budget. Number 5. MECO Stakmore Espresso Folding Card Table. This table is made from premium solid wood, ensuring it will last for years to come. It's a beautiful and durable piece that will enhance any hosting experience. The classic straight-edge design adds a touch of elegance to any space. It's a timeless look that complements any home decor. This table folds up for easy storage when not in use. It folds to a mere 3.375 inches deep, so you can store it in a closet or under a bed. You can use this table immediately without any assembly. It's ready to go right out of the box, so you can focus on your gatherings and games. When open, it provides ample space for various activities. When folded, it's compact for easy storage, making it a perfect choice for any home. What we like? This table boasts solid wood construction, ensuring both durability and a timeless aesthetic. Its classic straight-edge design adds a touch of elegance to any space. If you are looking for a versatile table for hosting game nights or gatherings, this is a great choice. What people say? The beautiful natural wood finish adds a touch of warmth and elegance to any room. One of the standout features is the ingenious folding mechanism. It opens smoothly and locks into place securely, providing a stable surface for card games, puzzles, or even extra dining space. Number 4. Linon Keira Folding Chair, Set of 2. Introducing the Linon Keira Folding Chair, a set of 2 chairs designed for convenience and style. This chair is perfect for any standard height dining table. The chair features a rich espresso finish, adding a touch of elegance to any space. Its design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Enjoy comfort with the dark brown vinyl padded seat. It provides a comfortable seating experience, making it ideal for extended use. This chair folds easily for setup and storage. When folded, it is compact, making it easy to store when not in use. With front and rear supports, the chair provides extra stability. It is fully assembled and can support up to 225 pounds. You will receive 2 chairs with your purchase. They are perfect for gatherings or for adding extra seating to your home. What we like? These chairs feature a comfortable dark brown vinyl padded seat. They are designed for easy setup and storage, perfect for small spaces. If you need extra seating for your dining table, these chairs are a great option. What people say? The wood is strong and solid. The hinges are strong. And the finish is beautiful. It's sturdy and not wobbly. You can fold it up and put it away with ease. Number 3. Flash Furniture Hercules Folding Chairs, Set of 4. These chairs are perfect for any event, from weddings to corporate gatherings. They provide reliable seating for all your guests. The lightweight design makes them easy to move and set up. They also have protective floor caps to prevent damage to your floors. Made from UV-stabilized resin, they are built to last, whether used indoors or outdoors. The upscale design makes them suitable for formal occasions. The waterproof vinyl seats offer comfort and support. They are easy to clean with a damp cloth or can be replaced if damaged. These chairs are easy to store and require no assembly. They stack compactly when folded, saving you space after your event. What we like? This set includes 4 folding chairs, perfect for weddings and formal events. The chairs are constructed from UV-stabilized resin, ensuring long-lasting use. If you host events frequently and need reliable, stylish seating, you should consider this. What people say? Super sturdy and look fantastic. Functionality is amazing, easy to pull out, easy to store, very practical. They are exactly as described, and I believe they will hold up for years, fold up inconspicuously, and come in handy. Number 2. Winsome Robin Folding Chair Set of 4. Introducing the Winsome Robin Folding Chair Set. These chairs require no assembly, ready to use right out of the box. It's designed for your convenience. These chairs are incredibly lightweight and portable. They fold down to a mere 2.77 inches thick, making it easy to store and transport them wherever you need. Enjoy the comfort of the slatted seats and double bar backs. With a seat height of 17.4 inches, it provides excellent support for extended periods of sitting. Whether it's for dining, card games, or extra seating, these chairs are perfect. Use them both indoors and outdoors, adapting to your needs. When not in use, simply fold and stack them neatly. This space-saving solution is ideal for small spaces or on-the-go seating requirements. Crafted from solid wood, each chair can hold up to 170 pounds. This ensures long-lasting performance and reliability for years to come. What we like? These chairs are compact and foldable, making them easy to store and transport. They feature a comfortable design with slatted seats and double bar backs. If you like having extra seating for both indoor and outdoor activities, this is a great choice. What people say. They are sturdy and well-made. Great wooden chairs. Goes perfectly in my small apartment, and even better that they fold. The chairs still look great and held up, they are practically still looking brand new. Great quality and craftsmanship. Number 1. Winsome Robin Folding Chair Set of 4. These chairs require no assembly. You can use them right out of the box. It's designed for your convenience. The chairs are lightweight and fold down to a slim 2.77 inches. This makes them easy to store and carry around. With slatted seats and double bar backs, they offer great comfort and support. The seat height is a comfortable 17.4 inches from the ground. Perfect for various occasions, from dining to game nights. You can use them both indoors and outdoors, providing extra seating whenever you need it. When not in use, they fold and stack neatly. This is an ideal solution for small spaces or when you need seating on the go. Made with solid wood and a weight capacity of 170 pounds per chair. They are built to last, providing reliable performance for years to come. What we like? These chairs are compact and foldable, making them easy to store and transport. They feature a comfortable design with slatted seats and double bar backs. If you like having extra seating for both indoor and outdoor activities, you should consider this. What people say. They are sturdy and well-made. They came exceptionally well packed in boxes we will be able to continue to use for years to store the chairs when not used. Great wooden chairs. Goes perfectly in my small apartment, and even better that they fold. The quality and color of the wood is superb, it's definitely real wood. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.